We are the largest fabricator of glass in Manitoba, and what that means is we produce sealed units for the commercial and the residential industries. As we grew, one of the things that also grew was the size of the product that we were producing. And prior to Acculift, we were handling the glass manually, meaning people were handling the glass. We want to make sure that our people are safe and healthy and come to work every single day. It's very difficult to move large pieces of glass, heavy pieces of glass, manually. What we did with the current crane by the polisher was we were able to reduce manpower. Essentially now one person is doing the job of two people, and we were able to move the other person in another area where we needed help. So the first crane that we purchased from Acculift was specifically for our automated line. Some of these sealed units could easily weigh 300, 400, 500 pounds. So if you can imagine two people trying to lift a sealed unit off an automated line, which is about 3 feet above the ground, then walking it over to a rack, then setting it down, and doing that without breaking it, without scratching it, without doing any damage to themselves, multiply that by about 300, and it's very easy to see how quickly we needed a solution. That's why we went to Acculift. Working with the representative from Acculift was very good. They were always involved in the process, listened to our concerns, came with solutions, ultimately made our operation safer as well.